Shifting focus to another big story of the day, where a defiant Pakistan is planning to challenge the international court's verdict staying Kulbhushan Jadhav's execution. Pakistan has already filed an appeal, and it will constitute a new team of lawyers to present its case against Kulbhushan Jadhav and India at the International Court of Justice. The Pakistan government has received flack from their media and the opposition over the handling of the Jadhav case. Sources within the government say that Pakistan will appoint an ad hoc judge of the ICJ and that it will be formulating a much stronger legal team going forward. Sources add that they are taking this opportunity as a chance to expose India's alleged breach of other international treaties. Their case is likely to hinge on alleged human rights violations, hinting towards the Kashmir dispute, the line of control and the Indus Water Treaty. All right, to give us more details on this issue, I'm joined by Hamza Amir from Islamabad and Associate Editor Anand Patel. First to you, Hamza, can you please give us more details about the new team that has been constituted by Pakistan and their strategy?
Since the time the ICJ's verdict came against Pakistan's will, it was severe criticism in Pakistan from the opposition political parties and also from the people in Pakistan who actually were criticizing the fact that Pakistan lost one case only for the fact that the case was not presented as the way it should have been, and they also were questioning the competence of the government or even intentions behind this, reluctant and easy approach that Pakistan took on the ICJ's case, though Pakistan officially actually denied and in fact rejected the case itself, because Pakistan said it's a case of national interest and the law of the land will prevail. There will be no compromises made on Kulbhushan Jadhav's case. But now Pakistan has already filed a case and a request in the ICJ requesting rehearing of the case itself, so that Pakistan actually can now come more forcefully with a better team, a more approached team to actually contest the case, not only focused on the case of Pakistan regarding the jurisdiction of ICJ, but also to highlight the fact that Kulbhushan Jadhav was tried on terrorism charges, and that is why ICJ does not hold a restriction to question Pakistan. Not only that, Pakistan is also going to be raising reservations over a declaration that Pakistan mentioned in that Pakistan submitted in March 2017 with the ICJ, announcing and barring the ICJ to actually question Pakistan on issues of terrorism regarding counter acts and on all the other things that were in under question. So Pakistan right now is planned up and has requested ICJ to rehear the case, and also Pakistan is going to be appointing an ad hoc judge this time around as well.
All right, thank you so much, Hamza, for that update. I'm also joined by Associate Editor Anand Patel. Anand, India has kept its calm. India, in a way played really well at the ICJ. All their arguments were based on facts, and now Pakistan has decided to challenge the plea. So can you please give us more details as to what India's strategy is, because I'm sure they're keeping a tab on each and every development. They have a strategy in place?
Well, certainly, you see, after the ICJ verdict, though it was a temporary relief, there is no sense of complacency in the government. What government sources have told us is that they are still working on the case, and the final aim is to bring back Kulbhushan Jadhav to India. And this was expected of Pakistan, the kind of furor which was there in Pakistan following the verdict, and the Nawaz Sharif government, which is already at loggerheads with the military regime there, going into the reappeal, going in again to the ICJ, questioning its stand-by in the case, saying that the spies and terrorists which they are alleged at Kulbhushan Jadhav cannot be tried in ICJ. But this is all good for India. The government has been able to engage Pakistan in a court of law, and everybody knows, Pakistan itself knows that it has no evidence against Kulbhushan Jadhav. They've not been able to provide an FIR copy. They've not been able to provide charge sheet copies, let alone a consular access. So very well, when the court reconvenes after a short weekend break on Monday, probably when it considers Pakistan request for a relook and a rehearing into the case, it may well first ask Pakistan to comply with the verdict, interim verdict, which has been passed on.
Right.
First, to maintain a status quo, and second, consular access for Kulbhushan Jadhav, which the Pakistan government has not done so far.
All right. Thank you so much, Anand Patel, for that update, and Hamza Amir from Pakistan for that comprehensive update from the Pakistan's point of view.